Let me tell you, as I day now, Tinubu no really trust me. As Igbo man where I be, they look me with one eye because he believes say, this one where they work for Peter Obi before. This one fee maybe.
Oh, you don't work for me, Peter Obi before?
Yes, now last election.
Why you leave from?
I check out my brother. See, I don't want to lose again.
I left Peter Obi because I don't want to lose anymore. That is why I'm supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the CityBoys movement right now. Cubana Chief Priest says, okay guys, Cubana Chief Priest was live as Bella's live, and during the live session, he said one of the reasons he's left Peter Obi after he supported him during the last election and now he is running and coordinating the CityBoy movement, that he was tired of losing and he does not believe that Peter Obi had what it takes to become president. That is why he moved to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And according to him, he talked about people who have been mocking him for losing the House of Representatives seat and a whole lot. Listen to what all he had to say.
And then go give you money. So now you they pay to enter, you can't lose.
Nobody send you.
They don't pay you money.
Now, let me tell you, as I day now, Tinubu no really trust me. As Igbo man where I be, they look me with one eye because he believes say, this one where they work for Peter Obi before. This one fee maybe.
Oh, you don't work for me, Peter Obi before?
Yes, now last election.
Why you leave from?
I check out my brother. See, I don't want to lose again. Because they say first fool no be fool, now second fool be fool.
Well, yeah, when you choose Peter Obi, you think say you go lose. But now when we say you choose Tinubu, you can't still lose. So what happened?
No be Tinubu lose now. I mean,
you lose.
Yes, now you don't mean anything.
Okay.
Peter Obi no lose.
If you choose
as
Peter
he lose that one, he kill himself. No be in the one run again. I think no be in the strong.
You go win this one, Abi.
You know if he win.
How you know, Chief Priest?
You know if he win because he's not ready. The people who are more ready, we see as Lagos they sweet us now.
Now Tinubu do Lagos.
Yes, now. Yes, now.
I was once. You said now Tinubu do Lagos. Sanwo-Olu. What you do in Lagos?
Sanwo-Olu na Tinubu motion am. Now like if na for Pikin, now like maybe in fourth son. After he don't come out, give another person. Give another person.
I think say na the governor. I think say na president go give governor money. Say governor, you go do something for so state. For your state.
Yes, na president they give. Since Ashwaju become president, governors know they borrow money again because money.
No! I see one video. I see one. They say that Tinubu want to borrow something billion.
I'm not telling you about Tinubu. I'm saying governors. When there was subsidy, governors have to borrow to pay salary, do stuff. But Tinubu cut off subsidy. Now that money that is supposed to be raised from subsidy, he shares it among some governors. Get up to 40 billion in a month, some 30-something billion, 20-something billion.
Billion,
yes.
Not a million.
That's why you.
I said a million.
That's why you go see some governors now. They build airports, they build bridges, because they get proper funding.
So governor now waste. Governor, they follow president talk.
Yes.
Say if they see say thing no good, they go tell the governor, the president say,
help us. So
yeah, like
this side.
Kidnapping something now. Anybody don't tell the president before?
Of course. See, the kidnapping something is very terrible.
Very, very old.
Is a lot of lapses on the government. You understand? One of the things the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is still working on, and they need to do it, and they must do it, is security. Tinubu must make sure he fixes security 100%. And this issue of power, you understand, is a process, is something that will be done. But these our fellow brothers, where they kill our fellow brothers, how do you feel about it? Because no be Tinubu carry knife cut person through.
Okay, no be Tinubu do one.
No being kill person, no being shoot person. I don't know if you understand. Those people that are causing that crime, don't they have a conscience? What do you benefit from killing one another? So before we start condemning the government, we need to condemn ourselves. Why do we
Peter Obi for comment section. If I check children not to comment section, if I see Peter Obi
for comment section,
so why they no pack numbers?
Now for comment section you go win. Those people for comment section don't even get voters card. Some of them they are abroad. Some of them they are abroad. They never even come. They know they come Nigeria again. You understand? A lot of people where you see where they do where they want to spoil Nigeria. These social media people, they abroad. Some of them don't they exile. they no fit come back again, no hope. So you go come they talk to me about politics. You will never build house for village. You will not even know your village. No. See, oh, Lagos, yeah, plenty for here.
Yeah, plenty. Now baby only full am. My baby on a natural. That she be say I go lick my baby plate. She will be advance. It be like sauce.
So you know,
I know lick am.
W.
I know lick am. I know lick. I know lick am.
Take no zilla like salt.
Me.